few moments later.
Guys, today's story is under 4 steps, but don't forget to subscribe because I'm on a goal of reaching 500 subscribers by the end of this year. So the first step is filming. So it's simple. You record 2 videos, one pretending to hit a person and the second one pretending to be hit. Yeah, it's crazy but worth it. So you open up your Capcut. After opening up your Capcut, we're on to the second step of looking for templates and arranging them. So you download your background, your preferred background, and you have to add it and adjust it into Capcut. So then you have to add your first clip as an overlay. So yeah, the first clip where you pretend to be hit while doing your gestures. So you trim out and delete the unwanted parts of the clip, and you have to adjust it so that it matches the length of the background. So after doing all that arranging and watch, so we have to remove the background. So we don't click on chroma key, we click on auto remove, because auto removal is the best way to remove the background on Capcut Mobile. So after removing all the background, the second step is adjusting your clip. Adjusting your clip and making sure the background is perfect, and then you export your clip. So then after exporting your clip, you go ahead and you add the exported clip into Capcut again, and then you add an overlay of the second video where you pretend to be hitting someone. So here after exporting your after importing your video into our video, so you trim out the unwanted parts and delete them. So after deleting them, you remove the background using the auto remove, because the chroma key is so hard to handle, it takes time, and yeah, everyone wants simple things. So here we're going to be using the auto removal because it's simpler, provided that we have the blue screen behind us. It makes it easy. So you have to adjust your clip to match the hitting points to match the first clip. So then after doing all that, the third step is sound and effects. So on the sound, we're going to go on the sound VFX and we look for the punch sound VFX, and we're going to pick the sound called Sound of Punch Booker. So that's the only sound I found that resembles the real punches in the movie. So place it to match the hit areas. Do the same to all the parts of this clip, so that every hit there's a sound booker. So on the effects, we're going to pick the shake effects in order to match the punches, so in order to show that it's a real effect. So when they punch, it shakes, as you see it right there, and then you do it to all the hitting points of the video. So and step number 4 is color grading, so that it becomes like a real movie. So you have to color grade it so that it resembles like a movie, but you in order to color grade it like as in a more simpler way, you have to first export your clip. So the final clip, after exporting the final clip, there you apply this effect called the Oppenheimer. Maybe that's explaining the Oppenheimer. So and that's it. You color grading, that's what I call color grading. So as you see, it's like a real movie, and the hitting points, they are perfect. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video and comment on it. See you guys in my next video.